We left Lisbon, went up to Oporto, and then went across and went down to the Azores. We left the harbor and started across, and then, I don't know, a short time thereafter, I looked around and I noticed that we changed directions. How I realized that, I, to this day, do not know, except maybe judging by the sunlight and so on. But as the next day, on the bulletin board, there was an announcement that we had to circumvent a battle scene yesterday between U-boats and Allied aircraft. That's all it was. That's all it said. Oh, I don't know, about 5, 6 years ago, I decided to, now thanks to the internet and so on, I went on and typed in North Atlantic Naval Battle, October 1943, and U-boat and Allied planes, and up comes the exact location and the exact time when that battle took place, on October 4th of 1943. And sure enough, there was a U-boat and a cow, the refueling U-boat, in our vicinity. And you know, looking back at it, you say, "Wow, this is like a Hollywood movie." Of course, at the time, none of us realized the danger because there were, in fact, many, many boats lost in that year. But this, of course, was a neutral ship and a Portuguese ship, and it, in fact, carried many, many well-known people, subsequently recognized, from Spain, or from Portugal in this case, to the United States.